The Carnival logo, a red, white, and blue Y-shaped ship horn. Harrison's Cave Tour, Bridgetown, Barbados. A sign reads, Unearth the Adventure. Guests view exhibits at a visitor center, then ride a tram down into a rocky tunnel. A guide narrates as they emerge into an illuminated cavern full of rock formations. A gentle stream flows beside the tram. Guests walk through a cave passage. Some lean over a stream lined with formations. Girls marvel at a shower of water pouring in from above. Water droplets cling to the tips of pale white stalactites. Back on the tram, guests ride past an enormous formation covered with stalagmites. Dozens of stalagmite columns stand guard around a rippling pool. The tram splashes through shallow water as it climbs a narrow passage. Rocky stalactites drip down from the cavern ceiling as if melting wax. In a tall passage, colorful lights highlight an assortment of formations. Carnival.